Welcome to the lecture, my dear students. In today's lecture, I am giving the explanation about the convolution theorem of the Laplace transformations. Already we have done many problems on inverse Laplace transformations, how to calculate the inverse Laplace transform of a function. For example, you have L inverse of f of s is f of t and L inverse of g of s is g of t. So we have two different functions. Now the product, the inverse transform of the product of the two functions is given by f of t star g of t. Suppose if there is plus in between, yes, you can split it. In between f of t and g of t, you can add them. Suppose if there is minus here, then we can write f of t minus g of t. But as there is product here, you cannot write as a normal product. And this special product is called as the convolution. How to do this convolution theorem? As in the place of f of t is replaced by f of u and g of t is replaced by g of t minus u du within the limit 0 to t. So this is what the definition of f of t star g of t. Try to understand by see these examples. You have two functions, let us say s square by s square plus 1 square is there. So now you can split this into two forms as L inverse of s over s square plus 1 multiplied by s over s square plus 1. So it is f of s multiplied by g of s. So now how will you split this is L inverse of s over s square plus 1 star, that is the convolution, L inverse of s over s square plus 1. Now what is this? This is given by cosine t and star cosine t. So now how will you solve this? Integral 0 to t cosine u times of cosine of t minus u du. So how to solve this? That will be done later. First we have to understand how to write down this convolution, how to evaluate this convolution by using the definition. Another example, let us take L inverse of s over s square plus 1 the whole square is there, let us say. Then you can even split this as s over s square plus 1 times of 1 over s square plus 1. Now we will split this using the convolution. Then s over s square plus 1 is cosine t and 1 over s square plus 1 is sine t. So it will be cosine u and sine of t minus u du integral 0 to t. So this is what the convolution means. You have to write down the given, you are going to split the product into a special product called as the convolution. I hope you could understand this. Thank you.